Why mountain have same shape? In this video, I will show you what is the reason behind this. In this channel, we talk about engineering principles and technological aspects that connect it to daily lives. Most mountains tend to have similar angles because of the way they are formed. Mountains are typically formed through geological processes such as tectonic plate movements, volcanic activity, and erosion. When mountains are built up through tectonic forces, they often take on a steep angle because the Earth's crust is being pushed upward and folded. The shape I likely referring to is the angle of repose. The angle of repose is the steepest angle or slope at which a loose material or substance can be piled or poured before it starts to slide or flow downhill due to the influence of gravity. It is a measure of the stability of a material when stacked or arranged in a pile, and it varies depending on the properties of the material, such as its particle size, shape, and friction. The angle of repose for dry granular sand is typically around 30 to 35 degrees. Coarse gravel can have an angle of repose of around 35 to 45 degrees. Loose, fine soil might have an angle of repose of approximately 30 to 35 degrees. Angular rock debris can have a steeper angle of repose, often exceeding 45 degrees. The angle of repose for powdery materials like flour or sugar can be lower, typically around 20 to 30 degrees. For cohesive materials like clay, the angle of repose can vary widely and is generally lower, often less than 20 degrees. It's important to note that the angle of repose can be influenced by factors such as moisture content, particle size, and the specific characteristics of the material. These values are approximate and can vary in practice. The angle of repose is a useful concept in fields such as geology, engineering, and materials science for understanding the behavior of different substances under gravitational forces. So I hope you understand why mountains have same shape. I prefer you to share this video to your friends and your children to understand day-to-day lives with technological aspect. Until next time, have a good one.